Hello! Today we're going to learn the letter P saying P. Can you say P? And again, P. Well done! Now we're going to look at some pictures of things that begin with the sound P. See if you can join in. P. Pizza. P. Pineapple. P. Pig. P. Piano. P. Pencil. P. Panda. Pizza. Pineapple, pig, piano, pencil, panda. Well done! Now we're going to look at two pictures and you've got to say which one begins with the sound P. Are you ready? Leaf or pumpkin? Which one begins with P? That's right! Pumpkin begins with P. P. Pumpkin. Pond or lion? That's right! Pond begins with P. P. Pond. Cherries or parrot? Yes, parrot begins with parrot. Puzzle or giraffe? That's right. Puzzle begins with P. P. Puzzle. Good job. Now we're going to play thumbs up, thumbs down. If the picture begins with P, you put your thumbs up. If it does not begin with P, you put your thumbs down. Are you ready? Does camel begin with P? No, camel does not begin with P. Does party begin with P? Yes, party begins with P. P. Party. Does strawberry begin with P? No, strawberry does not begin with P. Does pirate begin with P? Yes, pirate begins with P. P. Pirate. Wow, well done! Now we're going to learn how to write the letter P. The letter P is a rainbow letter. It starts low down by the clouds, then it goes down, back up, round the rainbow. Follow with your finger. Down, back up, round the rainbow. Let's try one more time. Down, back up, round the rainbow. Well done! You learnt the letter P saying P. Now ask your grown-up to download your fun activity worksheets to practice even more. Please like and subscribe to support my channel. See you next time. Bye!